Have you ever felt trapped, isolated, lonely? These adjectives can certainly be used to describe the life of an encaged animal. Animals held captive are separated from their families and stripped away from their natural environment, and therefore eventually lose their survival instincts. If these animals are ever returned to their natural world, the unfortunate will most likely happen. They won't survive. I would like for a moment for all you to picture the beautiful bald eagle, mighty, majestic, strong, and independent. It's a clear day, the sky is blue, and up high you see this magnificent creature, flying and in command of everything in its environment. What a vision! Now, I would like you to picture the same bird being captured and now caged for our entertainment. How high can it now fly? How free does it now feel? The irony about the bald eagle being held in captivity is that this bird is a symbol for the United States. Doesn't the bald eagle imply freedom for our nation? Then why would we as humans at any moment capture and cage a creature that represents what everyone in our nation strives for, to be free? Right now, there are plenty of famous zoos around the country keeping bald eagles captive. The San Diego Zoo is one of them. This bird, as with all birds, should be flying, and in captivity it cannot soar as it was intended to do. So why place animals in a zoo? Some say it is to study their behavior, others say it's to save these animals from extinction. These may sound like good reasons, but can't we study these animals in their home? If an animal is near extinction, who are we to say that it is not in their destination? In the article, Don't Zoos Help to Preserve Endangered Species? PETA states that only 2% of the world's threatened or endangered species are registered in breeding programs. Those that are endangered may have their plight made worse by zoos' focus on crowd appeal. Let's not forget, the zoo is a business. This leads me to discuss another business which also holds some beautiful animals captive, the circus. Elephants are put in extremely harsh and tormenting conditions in order to train them to be performers. In 2007, a lawsuit against Ringling Bros and Barnum and Bailey Circus was filed due to their inhumane acts towards baby elephants, such as being whipped, beaten, and yanked. Is the entertainment worth the price their innocent animals have to pay? I want to take a few moments to discuss the very well-known British anthropologist Jane Goodall. She studied chimpanzees in their natural environment for over 50 years. She did what all those with interest in studying animals should do. She became a part of their environment. From her research, we learned that these animals have tool-making behaviors, compassion towards others, planning skills, female and male behavior is different, and other facts that did lead us to better understanding the nature of these animals, while never compromising their existence. Goodall studied all these animals in their world and really got to see what their lives were like. Can we say we can see the true essence of a chimpanzee in a caged area at a zoo? How can we know what we know? Their enclosed area barely resembles that of a vast land and makes up a jungle. Although some research shows some animals do live longer held in captivity, the length of a life does not determine the quality. And this is why animals should not be kept in captivity, because we want all animals as humans to live a life full of quality.